Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to hide the game that you are currently playing on Discord. So open the Discord application, or you can also go to the Discord website, which is discord.com. Ensure that you're logged into the specific account. Then after, click on the gear icon, which is indicating user settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, you need to scroll down and find the section of activity and privacy, which is in the section of games and apps. Go ahead and select this option right here. And on the right side of the screen, find the share my activity option. Then after, toggle this option off. By toggling off this option right here, Discord will no longer automatically display the games and supported applications that you're using. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.